In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discount codes in Hostinger Website Builder. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for your website and click on Website. This will take you to the area where you can manage your site and its store settings. From there, click Manage Store. This is where all of your online store tools are located, including products, orders, and promotional options. Now, find and click on Discount. This section is where you can create and manage discount offers for your customers. To make a new one, click Add Discount. At this point, you'll see different ways to set up your promotion, and one of the most common options is percentage. If you want to offer a percentage-based discount, select Percentage. Then go ahead and enter the discount details. You can add a discount code, a discount name, and the discount percent. The discount code is what customers will type in at checkout, so make it simple and easy to remember. The discount name is mainly for your own reference, so choose something clear that helps you identify the promotion later. For the discount percent, enter the exact percentage you want to give, such as 10, 15, or 20%. Next, decide where the discount should apply. If you want the promotion to work on all products, you can set it that way. If you only want it to apply to a specific product, you can choose that instead. This is especially useful if you're running a special offer for selected items rather than your entire store. After that, select the discount conditions. This part allows you to control how and when the code can be used. So make sure you review it carefully based on the promotion you want to run. Then, select the active dates. Setting active dates is important because it lets you schedule exactly when the discount starts and when it ends. That way, the promotion can run automatically without needing extra changes later. You can also do the same thing using the fixed amount option if you prefer to subtract a specific value instead of a percentage. For example, instead of giving 10% off, you could give a fixed amount off the order or product, depending on how you want the promotion to work. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your discount code will then be created and ready to use in your Hostinger online store. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to double-check the details to make sure the code, discount type, product selection, conditions, and active dates are all correct. That's it. Your discount is now set up and ready for customers.